Hey everybody, it is Rel. Today's video is going to be just how to do a burnout. Alright, this is a tutorial on how to do a burnout. The basics of it, in any high-powered car, you're going to hold your brakes as hard as you can with your left foot and smash that gas with your right. But if you want to stay in the same position, don't just let off the brakes because you're going to fly forward. So you want to hold your brakes, smash the gas, keep holding on the brakes. If you want to go forward, slowly let off the brakes. When you want to stop, let off the gas all the way and then hit the brakes. If you're in an automatic, hold the brakes real hard, hit the gas like I said, and when you're going to a higher gear, you want to hurry up and stop, because once it gets to a high gear, it's going to try to catch. If you got slap shift, like this Charger here, you can stay in whatever gear you want. So the first thing you want to do is turn your traction control off. Then, like I said, you're going to hold that brake as hard as you can, and you're going to hit that gas. As you can see, I'm feathering it. If I want to switch gears, I just switch to the next gear. I'm staying in place right now. If I want to move forward a little bit, let off the brakes a little bit. Feather that thing, let off the brake, let off the gas. And that's how you do a fucking burnout, baby. Let's get it.